how to send PDF file in Messenger application. So first is you have to go to your Messenger application. Now, actually in Messenger, you cannot send, or there is no option where you could attach a file or a PDF file in the chat. Now, what you want to do is to go to your browser here and just search for Messenger. Go to messenger.com and to lead you here. Now, next thing is on the upper right, you'll see three dots. You tap on that and choose desktop site. So instead of mobile mode, it will actually set you up to desktop type or desktop site. Now, it will look like this. So all you have to do is to search for that person, to choose the chat where you want to send the video, the file rather, the PDF file. If you're done choosing the person where you want to send the PDF file, so if you scroll all the way down, it will look like this. Beside the plus sign, you will see an image icon. You tap on the image icon and there are four options. So you can go to camera, video recorder, and files. So you tap on files there. And under files, you will see everything, videos, your downloads. Now, all you have to do is to find the PDF that you want to send. Let's say this one, and it will automatically attach there and just press send. And now you have successfully sent a PDF file. Just wait for it to have a check sign, meaning the file is sent to you. Now to check that, let's go here to our messenger. As you can see, we have successfully sent a PDF file via messenger, and basically that is how you send PDF file in messenger. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.